It's like close to 3 o'clock in the morning. This bird tweets every night at this time. Every morning at this time. Earlier.
Morning.
He starts tweeting at like 1. And I don't understand it.
Any more than you understand somebody out on your porch talking at 3 a.m.?
I think he is not happy that he's spending a night alone. He's trying to find a friend. He's the only one. He needs to go back south. It's not summer yet. He's lost his what?
His way.
He's lost his way. You're in Indiana. We are not awake yet. Go to bed. That is all.